Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go to the question. The graph shows a relationship between number of shares of stock from company A, X, and the number of shares of stock from company B, Y, that Simon can purchase. Which equation could represent this relationship? So X represents the number of shares of stock from company A, and Y represents from company B. So we just have to find the linear equation. That is, we have to find the equation of the line given over here. Okay, so we can try to write the equation of this line in slope-intercept form, that is y equals to mx positive b. So here m refers to slope, and already we know that the slope is equal to rise over run. So what is the rise here? So the rise is negative 40, because from this point we are coming down 40 units to reach the origin. Since we are coming down, we can take this length in terms of negative. So the rise is negative 40. And the run is it's over here, the horizontal distance over here, that is 60. So for both 40 and 60, the greatest common divisor is 20. So 20 goes into 42 times and 20 goes into 63 times. So the slope is equals to negative 2 over 3. And we can get the y-intercept from the graph easily. That is at where the line intersects y-axis. The line intersects the y-axis at 40. So the y-intercept is 40. So then the equation of the line y equals to, for this m, we can plug in this negative 2 over 3. That's the slope. So 2 over 3 times x positive. The y-intercept, b refers to y-intercept, that is 40. So that means that the place at where the line intersects y-axis. So now I got the equation of the line which represents the relationship. Okay, so now the equation is in slope-intercept form. So when I go over the options, only in option A and option C I have the equation in slope-intercept form, but in both the options the slopes are positive. That is, here the slope is 8, here the slope is 12. So here in our equation the slope is negative 2 over 3. So we got the equation in slope-intercept form, but it does not match with the option A or on the option C. So option A and or option C cannot be correct. But in option B and option D, we have the equation in standard form. That is, we have x and y on the left side, constant on the right side. Okay, so now what we can do is we can try to write this equation in standard form. So for that, what we need is first we have to get rid of the denominator 3 over here. So for that, what I have to do is I have to multiply both sides of this equation by 3. So let me do it. So 3y is equal to 3 times negative 2 over 3 times x positive 40. Okay, now we have 3y is equal to, now we can distribute this 3 to this one and this one. Then 3 times negative 2 over 3 times x positive 3 times 40. Okay, this 3 will cancel out, and I'm getting 3y equals to, and here I have negative 2x positive 3 times 40 is 120. Okay, now so to get the equation, linear equation standard form, we must have x and y on the left side. So but here we have x on the right side. To get rid of the x, to get rid of this negative 2x, I have to add 2x to both sides. So when I do so, this negative 2x positive 2x will cancel out. So on the left side I have 3y positive 2x, or it can be written as 2x positive 3y equals to 120. Okay, so now we got the equation in standard form, but still we don't get this one exactly in option B or option D. But so when I look at option B over here, x is multiplied by 8 and y is multiplied by 12. So when I multiply this expression by 4, if I multiply this one by 4, so what will happen? 4 times 2x is 8x, 4 times 3y is 12y. So I am getting the expression that I find in option B. So now let's multiply both sides of this equation by 4. So 4 times 2x is 8x, and 4 times 3y is 12y, and 4 times 120 is 480. So I find the standard form of this equation exactly in option B. So we can reject option D also. The correct answer choice for this question is option B.